Half a kilo bitter gourd is taken, washed and cut into cubes. A tumbler of water, pinch of salt and also pinch of turmeric powder and cook for 2 whistles. It requires more oil, but I am using only 2 tablespoons of oil, adding a pinch of fenugreek, adding half an onion. Tomato, adding curry leaves, adding 3 garlic pods. Now adding bitter gourd masala. This is the bitter gourd masala which I made a paste of it with garlic pods, 10 garlic pods, coconut 3 pieces, roasted cumin and fenugreek powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, and 2 tomatoes, 5 small onions and 1 small size big onion. All these things are made into a paste, and then it is a bitter gourd masala. We have a lemon size tamarind is soaked and half a liter of tamarind water. See, the oil is slowly coming out. Let it fry well, and the raw smell goes away. Adding little salt because I have added the salt in the bitter gourd. Afterwards we can add more if you want. There is one chain. Now while making this masala we can fry the dry fish separately, because I am going to take the bitter gourd masala kulambu little bit for others, and I want to taste with the dry fish. We can dry the dry fish, any fish, vanjaram, nathuli or anything, and then that we can add it when the bitter gourd is 3/4 cooked. The gravy is 3/4 cooked, and allow it to cook. Add coriander leaf and then allow it for simmering for 3-4 minutes. Then we can taste it. It will be very yummy and tasty. Stage I will add bitter gourd which is cooked in the cooker. There is little water in this. If you want, you can add that water. Those who want, they can avoid it. Usually I add the water also, but it will be little bit bitter, so people may not like. But anyway, I will add half of it to it because it will have some nutrient in it. Now fry it well. Let this mingle with the masala well. Meanwhile, I will take the rag, little water. I will take the tamarind oil. Let it cook in this. I am adding little of this water. Let it cook. Meanwhile, I'll take the tamarind water. Let it become half. Now the gravy has become half. I am adding the tamarind water. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Then we leave it for simmering. Now I have told you, at this stage, if you want, you can fry the fish separately and add to it. Those who are interested, dry fish you can add. It will be very yummy and tasty, and leave it for 5 minutes. Because my people are not eating, so I don't take that. Now let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes, and the oil comes up well, and the tamarind smell goes away. Now the bitter gourd gravy is ready. I am sprinkling the curry leaf. That will give more taste than the coriander leaf. If you want, you can have the coriander leaves also. I leave it for 2 minutes for simmering, and then we can serve it. If it is cool, then only it will be very tasty. Okay, so usually they will keep it for half an hour or 10 minutes, then they will eat it. So now it is ready to serve after 2 minutes. Now the healthy, vitaminized and sugar controlling vegetable bitter gourds recipe is ready to take. You can take it. It will not be having bitter taste. It will be very tasty now. You can take with the hot rice, idlis, etc. Take it. You will subscribe to Nani's channel. Share with your friends. Please give me the watch time. Thank you.